Children, today's topic of discussion is leaves. Children, look at the figure very properly, very keenly. Look at the figure or diagram of the leaves. Then I am going to describe this. Okay, children? Leaves are of different shapes and sizes. The outer surface of the leaf has waxy coating which protects the leaf. The leaf surface of the flat surface of the leaf is called leaf blade or lamina. It has veins running across within the leaf. Tiny opening on the surface of the leaves called stomata helps in exchange of gases. Stomata can be seen only under microscope. Functions of leaves. Four main functions of the leaves are there. These are the parts of the plants where food is made by the process of photosynthesis. That is why leaves are called the food making factories of green plants. Chlorophyll present in the leaves uses the energy in sunlight to turn water and carbon dioxide gas into sugar and oxygen gas. Leaves gives out oxygen in the process of photosynthesis. All living beings needs oxygen to live. Some leaves store food in them such as meat, cabbage, etc. Leaves are also known as the kitchen of a plant as they make their own food. Leaves have green substances in them. It is called chlorophyll, due to which plants can make food. Now I am coming to the point photosynthesis. Plants performs photosynthesis because it generates the food and energy they need for the growth and survival of the plant. The process by which green plants make their own food in the presence of sunlight, water and carbon dioxide is called photosynthesis. The roots absorb water from the soil and stem carries it to the leaves when light or sunlight falls on the leaves. It absorbed by the chlorophyll present in it. Then, through stomata, the leaves take in carbon dioxide and give out oxygen. This is how green plants produce their food, which is stored in the form of starch and glucose. See children, this is the figure where in the presence of sunlight, carbon dioxide plant is getting from the atmosphere, water it is getting from the soil and it reaches to the leaves, and at presence of chlorophyll these things are converted into oxygen and sugar or glucose. For plants to perform photosynthesis, they require light energy from sun, water and carbon dioxide. Water is absorbed from the soil into the cells of roots. The water passes from the root system to the stem, then it reaches to the leaves. Carbon dioxide is absorbed from the atmosphere through pores in the leaves called stomata. The leaves also contain chloroplasts which hold chlorophyll. The sun energy is captured by the chlorophyll. Okay children, this much for today. Okay.